A varied collection of tribal societies that once ruled Europe, the Celts are frequently romanticized and veiled in mystery in popular culture. This historic civilization, whose origins date back to the Iron Age, had a profound impact on European history. We will explore the rich cultural fabric of the Celts, their intriguing culture, and the buried artifacts that reveal clues to their mysterious past in this investigation. Historians and archaeologists continue to disagree about the Celtic people's origins. It is generally accepted that the Celts originated in Central Europe in the Late Bronze Age, however the precise chronology and migration patterns are still unknown. They had spread over a wide area by the Iron Age, from Anatolia to the Balkans and from the Iberian Peninsula to the British Isles. The Celtic people were divided into numerous tribes, each with a unique culture and set of traditions. These tribes shared a language and creative legacy that included beautiful metalwork, unique ceramics, and an oral history passed down through myths and legends. Celtic creativity, especially in metals, is one of their most notable cultural traits. The Celts were expert metalworkers who produced exquisite jewelry, weaponry, and other objects with complex decorations. Swirling patterns and complex knotwork defined the Lotan style, which came to be associated with Celtic art. The magnificent item known as the Battersea Shield, found in the River Thames, is a prime example of the metalworking skills of the Celts. This shield, which dates to the 1st century BCE, demonstrates the Celts' skill in creating useful items with a decorative touch. The elaborate designs and meticulous craftsmanship provide as evidence of the advanced level of Celtic metallurgy. The Celts worshipped a pantheon of deities connected to nature, fertility, and warfare as part of their polytheistic religious system. In Celtic society, a group of religious leaders known as the Druids were very important. They performed rites and ceremonies to please the gods while acting as priests, judges, and knowledge keepers. The places of worship for the Celtic people were natural landmarks and sacred woods, reflecting their close relationship with the natural world. Despite being older than the Celts, the well-known Stonehenge in England is occasionally connected to their spiritual activities because of its alignment with astronomical occurrences. The Celts were not only expert craftsmen and devout followers of a religion, but also fierce fighters. They interacted with the Roman Empire and other ancient civilizations as a result of their growth. There is ample documentation of the conflicts between the Celts and the Romans, including the famous sacking of Rome by Celtic soldiers in 390 BCE. The Celtic people had a significant impact on the development of ironworking technique and creative forms throughout Europe, in addition to their effect in combat. The cultural landscape of the continent was profoundly impacted by their encounters with various cultures. The finding of long-lost artifacts that shed light on the Celts' way of life, religious beliefs, and creative accomplishments adds to their attraction. Numerous items have been uncovered during archaeological excavations, providing insight into the material culture of this ancient society. Found in Norfolk, England, the Snedisham hoard is a magnificent example of Celtic craftsmanship. This trove, which dates to the 1st century BCE, includes exquisitely wrought gold bracelets, torques, and other jewelry. These artifacts demonstrate the Celts' proficiency in working with precious metals, as evidenced by their level of detail and expertise. Notwithstanding their military and cultural prowess, the Celts progressively encountered difficulties that aided in their collapse. Their once dominant position was eroded by the Roman Empire's expansion, internal strife, and the migration of other groups into Celtic lands. The legacy of the Celts was not destroyed by their decline. Through the Roman and later medieval eras, the cultural traces continued to have an impact on art, language, and folklore. Some areas of the world still speak Celtic languages, such Welsh, Irish, and Breton, maintaining a linguistic link to the prehistoric Celts. With their enigmatic and fascinating past, the Celts made a lasting impression on Europe. Historians and fans alike are enthralled with the ruins of their civilization because to its complex religious practices and beautiful workmanship. Archaeological excavations have unearthed lost items that provide insights into the everyday activities and artistic accomplishments of these ancient people. Even though the Celts are sometimes linked to a dark age in European history, their cultural contributions to the continent's fabric have left a lasting legacy. The lost artifacts of the Celts provide us with glimpses into a bygone past, enabling us to comprehend the intricacy of their culture and the breadth of their artistic ability as we continue to solve their riddles.